Ini menggunakan alat ini untuk menghitung hidup dan mati. Nanti kalau hidup, berapa yang hidup setiap lapang pandang. Kalau ada yang mati, hidup berapa, mati. Nanti dilakukan dari beberapa lapang pandang. Tidak hanya satu kali, tapi minimal ada dari 10 lapang pandang. Kita geser-geser, kita hitung lagi. Kemudian kita geser-geser sampai mencapai angka 200 atau 10 lapang pandang. Yang abnormal, ekornya ngelipat ke atas ya, coil under the head. Nah, yang lainnya sebagian besar, nah ini juga abnormal midpiece nih. Ya ini juga ada abnormal midpiece. Yang lainnya sebagian besar ini bagus. Dari 5 lapang pandang. Kemudian bandingkan spermatozoa yang maju ke depan dengan gerakan-gerakan sperma yang lain.
The eggs are looked under the microscope for the maturity of the eggs. There are 4 different levels of maturity of an egg. A germinal vesicle egg, which is very immature, a metaphase 1 egg, and a metaphase 2 egg is the mature egg, or there's a tretic or post-mature egg. We can only use metaphase 2 or M2 eggs for the process of fertilization. The embryologist looks under the microscope at the maturity of the egg at the time of egg retrieval. The eggs are then incubated from 4 to 6 hours before the process of ICSI is done. ICSI is selecting 1 sperm to inject into 1 egg for the process of fertilization. The fertilization process can be evaluated approximately 24 hours after the ICSI procedure. At this time, we see a nucleus of the genetic material from the egg and the nucleus from the genetic material of the sperm. This is called a pronuclei stage. After 24 hours, the pronuclei, or the fertilized egg, then divides into an embryo. An early embryo with 2 cells is called a zygote. After 48 hours, the zygote of 2 cells then divides into 4 cells. On day 3 of embryonic development, the embryo can now have approximately 6 to 10 cells. This is a picture of an 8-cell embryo. Approximately 50% of day 3 8-cell embryos will divide into a day 5 blastocyst. A day 3 embryo then divides into a morula on day 4 and an early blastocyst or a fully expanded blastocyst, or 6 of embryonic development. The blastocyst has a grading system that looks at the inner cell mass, which will form the embryo, and the outer cells called the trophectoderm, which will form the placenta. The grading scale is on a scale of A, B, or C, A being fully expanded and A being fully enriched of cells of the trophectoderm. B is still good, and C is a smaller inner cell mass and fewer cells on the periphery of the blastocyst. The blastocyst is also graded on the expansion on a scale of 1 to 5, and when the blastocyst is hatching out of the outer zone here, it is grade 6, a hatching blastocyst. We consider this embryo fully expanded and a lush inner cell mass and cells.